Hello Africa, I salute una all. Today I dey bring information about wetin wey dey call am say O wallet. So this time the information wey I dey bring am na very important information. So I dey advise everybody say make you lis ten this information so tey go finish, because if you no get am correctly now, then the time wey on passive don launch, people dey take money, dey do other things dem, you go fit get some problems dem. So for inside on passive now, let's go back for business. We get wetin wey dey call am, we get na two wallets dem, and so dem dey call one say funding wallet, and na for inside this funding wallet wey all man, all we wey we don register like we be go founders, the founding member dem for on passive, we go dey pay our first money after we on passive don launch. That money wey we CEO talk say e go range between 100 and 250 US dollars. Right now what they talk, we never yet know exactly how much, but it not go fit be, it not go plenty past 250, but it not go fit small past 100 US dollars. So now for inside where all man, it go put that first one for inside funding wallet. And so all wallet now it go be now the one way, if you see money for inside, now for move and put them, send them for your own bank account, so that make you the use them, do it where you want for do with them. So I want make una know say that first money we all we go pay them for the first time where they don't launch on passive. So now for activate or we account them, or for open we account, so that make it start the function, so that more we do with things and with them. So it is show say na different people, different group of people them, they go be in charge for this Palava wallet, and them go need for do something where them they call them say KYC. This one will be na some strong way for protect your wallet, so that bad guys then they no fit enter for inside. So it go need say make we show some plenty different kind paper them and document them, so that maybe the people then believe, so that maybe they know say the account now we own, you know. So them go fit need na things then like identity card, like driving license, and whatever paper where they ask them, but you no need for worry about this one, because they go ask you the only thing where you fit provide them for the country where you there for inside, you know. So also it be important make you know say they go use something where they call them say facial recognition. That one na some way where machine go fit look picture, it be able for confirm say this person for picture now you where you get this account, you know. So it go make a hard now for bad guys them for enter for inside your account. So it be very important too for you for make sure say make you give na correct information about the bank, or the when you set up your wallet, the information where you give for the make it be na correct information then, you know, for about the account or the bank where you go to withdraw your money for inside. So this one now, because say when you don't set up that account, it go hard for you for change them again, for secure that strong security where they don't do them, they do other check them for you. So it go hard for you for change them. So if you then try for change any information, they go think say sometimes some person they force yourself for enter for inside your account, and it go fit get you, give you problems. So if you get plenty account them for on passive, for example, you get one for your name, for your woman name, and for your bikini name, and so on, you fit arrange them for the way all your money from all the account them, they go to enter for inside one wallet. So after where you don't pay that first money, after where they don't launch on passive, where it go be now between 100 and 250 dollars, the next thing I say, you go always receive you go always receive your money first now for inside your funding wallet, before the money pass now it go for all wallet where you fit move and use them for thing where you want to do with them. So another fine thing I say, you fit send money from one funding wallet, funding account to another funding account, or from one funding wallet to another one, for all for inside on passive. This one means say if you get plenty account them, you fit borrow money from this one account, you send them for this other account, you pay that your other account the way money not plenty for inside, for pay that $250. Another fine thing again na say wetin, if some member for inside your team day, he no get money for pay under first amount where all man supposed for pay am, so you fit transfer money from inside your funding account to your own funding account within on passive, so that make it be help the person now make it pay under first amount. that one now for sure say on passive dey for here na really for help we, and they make and say make we too we help one another too. So as you transfer money now from your funding wallet to your team member own funding wallet, the company they take note so that the time where your team member don't start to receive money, artificial intelligence now will help for transfer that money where you be borrow for your team member, so from the account back to your own account. So now where they make you go here with CEO and every other on passive member, they just say well, they inside now for winner. So no person not be left behind. It be important too for no say as them don't make strong ways them for protect your account. You go need na different information for enter for inside your own wallet. You no go use the same information where you the use them for enter that your other account them where you don't connect them for all wallet. So all wallet will get on different information. So I know say this information where I give them, so it be very important. Not be all this about all wallet. Will not get enough. But when more information will come, definitely we will bring them back so that me will continue for update Huna. But then this information, if you get anything where you never understand, me you no worry, me you no shake. Just type any question where you get them for the comment section under this YouTube video. Because I fit see am answer them. Some other leader fit see am answer them, or I fit gather all the question them, I take them forward. And then if I don't know the answer, all the answer them I take them forward. People the way they know the answer, they tell me, then I bring back the answer them. Just because we dey for here for help, for make sure say make all man dey fine so that tomorrow may any person no get any problem. So for now the information that we will get them. So take your time, go through, ask any question, and then remember for subscribe, click for the notification bell, and then call if you need further explanation. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.